Canvas lined panels are quite easy to make and are worth the effort. I get the canvas from a local material supplier, but you can also get it from good art shops. So draw out the shape of your panel on the canvas with a 6B pencil, and then cut out the shape, but cut out on the outside of the line that you've drawn so the canvas is slightly bigger and you can always trim it later on the panel itself. When you've got your final piece, it's ready to apply glue to the panel itself, and I just use standard wood glue, a quick drying variety. Don't apply glue right to the edge of the panel because you don't want it to spill out. Rather smooth it towards the outside of the panel so you don't get too much squeezing out onto the canvas itself. So make sure you get a nice coverage. Make sure the entire panel is covered properly. Any excess glue, just wipe that off on a tissue. Apply the canvas itself to the glue. Make sure that you get it placed correctly. As I said, if the canvas is slightly bigger, there'll be slight bit of excess, and that you will just simply cut that off when it's dry. Then using your roller, roll it out from the center towards the edges, so you're spreading the glue out evenly, but not with so much glue that it's going to make a mess. You don't want to get glue on the front of the canvas. So once that is all done, you can then turn it over again, and you need to put a heavy surface or some a pressure to the surface of the panel, a couple of thick books, and overnight it should be nicely dry. Clear off any bits and pieces stuck to the canvas. You want that surface clean, and using a craft knife, nice and sharp craft knife, trim off the excess canvas. Doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. Of course, your panel will be framed eventually with the painting, so all of that edge is covered up. Trim off any loose bits with the scissors, and then you're ready to prime the canvas. I always give it a couple of coats of canvas primer or gesso, whatever acrylic primer you want, because this is of course raw canvas, so we need a coat or two of primer. And of course you can also, once all the priming is dry, you can add a colored ground to that with some acrylic paint as well if you wish, or simply paint on the white surface. Now you have an excellent painting surface with the benefits of a hard MDF surface and the canvas itself. So give that a try, and I'm sure you'll enjoy painting on your panel.